what you sound like.
Today I'm going to take you through a quick few steps on how to improve your visual image and your vocal image. These steps will really help you improve your videos, your meetings, any presentations you may have, and even interviews and relationships, just making you sound a lot more interesting to listen to. So let's jump straight in. So step one. Grab your camera, grab your phone or webcam, whatever you've got to record yourself, and pick a recent presentation, meeting or interview that you've recently had and just recite this experience to yourself, to the camera, recording yourself exactly how you would usually sound when you're trying to present the product or, go through this interview process. And what you'll find is it can be quite difficult to express yourself directly to a camera the same way you would a human, but after a few attempts, you'll feel a bit more comfortable. Just don't edit it, it's not going anywhere. This is just for you and yourself, and only for you to view. So don't be scared when you're doing it. Be open, be honest, and just know this is for your growth. So pick that presentation, recite it on camera, and then the next step, we're really gonna get down to business. So step two, once you have this recording of yourself making this lovely presentation, what I want you to do is mute the video. Watch it over and over again. Look at your movements, look at your facial expressions. Do you think that face retains the audience's attention? Let me know, because I really think this is one of the key things people do, is they get on a call and they start to dance around, looking around the room. They're not really concentrating on who's on the call. What you need to do is show interest, show passion. These guys on the call, they're not there for nothing. They're there because this is important. You've booked up their time. Don't waste it. Entertain them, give them product demonstrations that matter, something they will remember, because the worst thing you can do is get off of a call and the next time you contact the client, they're like, sorry, I don't really remember what you did, could you explain it again? That's because you didn't have enough enthusiasm, you didn't have enough Shazam to push your product across the line. So as you can guess, for step three, the same again but without the video. So this time I want you to stop the video, cover it up, turn your phone upside down and just listen to what you sound like. Do you have the correct fluctuations in your voice to keep people attracted to what you're saying? You have to be on top of it, because the problem you've got with speaking is monotone voices can get you very far in life. If you want to see more about this video, please like and subscribe. It doesn't work. You need to be energetic, excited about what you're selling and what you're pushing or what you're promoting, because if you're not, why should anyone else be? You're supposed to be the expert here, so make sure, get your fluctuations right. Do a bit of research on fluctuation and when and where you should be using them, because it is very important just to sound attractive, to make your voice sound nice. Everyone likes a nice voice, and if they like yours, you'll be listened to. So get it right, and let's do this together. So step four is revision. This is where you need to go through this video with a fine tooth comb, okay? I want you to pinpoint every exact moment you lose attention. So when do you glance at your phone? When do you glance away from the video? And notice it, because other people are doing exactly the same thing. So once you've been able to pinpoint where your struggling points of video are, you can enhance it. Record it again, input that strategy into this new video, and then do it again. I know it's repetitive, but the more cycles you do of reviewing these videos, the better you will be at expressing yourself, both vocally and visually. Step five is practice. Now, you need to rehearse this presentation, video, meeting, interview, whatever it is, over and over again. And I don't mean 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 times. I mean 100, right? I want you to practice 100 times, and I don't care if that takes you a week. By the end of that week, you will be a master of this presentation, and this is what we want. We want you to know this stuff inside out, so you can tweak it on the spot, because the best thing about knowing your work is you don't need to remember it. You know it. Step 6. So the best thing you can do here is round up a group of friends or local colleagues that you want to show your work to ask for their opinion as well and see if they can see the difference between the first video and the last video. Show them the last video first, see what they think, and then show them the first to see how far you've come, because they will notice the difference, I'm certain of it. If you followed all of the steps in this video, you will have improved dramatically over the period. So I'm really excited for you to get this video out to your friends or colleagues and to hear their feedback, because it's only going to boost your morale and make you feel that much more confident when you go to present this, or when you go into that next meeting, or you go into that next interview. You can also, if you don't have a close group of friends, use websites like Reddit. There's pages on there where you can ask for people's review on your YouTube videos. There's also Facebook groups that deal with this, and Instagram. Just do a bit of research on the internet. It's all out there. Loads of people love to judge on the internet, so it can be a blessing, but can also give you real harsh critical advice on your videos as well. So depending on how harsh you want to be on yourself, give it to your friends or give it to a bunch of strangers that are going to be critical, trust me. But guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you can use all of these skills in your next presentation, because all of these skills are so vital in life in general, just to sound more interesting, to look more interesting and professional. So put it all together, let me know how it went in the comments, and if there's anything else you want to know, please let me know as well. I would love to cover some more stuff that's a bit more relevant to what you're looking for. But guys, thanks for watching, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
It's him.
The anomaly. Do we proceed? Yes, he is still
Only human.